Hello guys, good morning again. Welcome back to our channel, Lynn and Scott in the Philippines. So today guys, galing nga po ako sa palengke at ako'y namili dahil today is the birthday of my daughter. So ayan, keep on watching. Ako yung magluto ng pansit at spaghetti. A kunting small celebration. So keep on watching guys, and again, happy birthday to my daughter. Oh, she's a big girl than me. So she's a big girl. Happy birthday, anak. Halika din eh. And si Scott are watching the store, and Kuya, my brother, your brother, no? Oh. So ngayon kami ay nag-prepare ako. Time check is ano na? It's 11 na. Kasi mamaya, there have a visitor, the friend of my daughter. So, I make spaghetti. Supposed to be, my plan is only a spaghetti. But we have a visitor, just a simple celebration. So, ayun guys, keep watching on us. What's the happening, the birthday, simple celebration, the birthday of my daughter. She's 13 years old already now. And belated happy birthday to Peter Obalparilla. So, ayan. Ano tayo? Ano na ako. I'm doing pansit. Matrabaho po kasi yun. Matrabaho ang pansit. Magluto. It's really hard to do making what call this one? Having preparation. It's really hard, especially me only. Yeah, keep on watching kung ano po yung ganap natin. O ay itong manok, itong pansit natin. Yan, maghiwa. Ito yung pansit kong itlog. This is egg. I will prepare egg so that makakain si Scott. Pansit. Ako yung magluluto lahat. Mag-fried chicken din tayo ng konti. Guys, and then I'm cooking pansit.
Let's make a video.
Okay.
Thank you.
Now busy kami guys. Ito yung ating
Here, honey, you want my phone?
and because we're doing pandesal, we try to our visitor. Also guys, and then later yung pansit na cook pansit, I put liver of chicken and chicken. Kikyan. Ng aming munting fried chicken. Nagkuskusa ng for the spaghetti. So, I'm cooking spaghetti, guys. Ayan. Nalagay na natin ng hotdog. Ang ating ang sahog. Spaghetti. Orange pala kasi yung isa chicken flavor. Kaya orange at red yung hotdog natin. Okay lang yan. Alagyan natin ng konting cheese. Ito naman yung ating spaghetti. Lager at sa vlogger na. And then cookie. Busy. Ilang sauce. Ayan. So, pansit. Pansit spaghetti. Malagyan natin ng konting cheese. Hugas ako, bet. Hugas ko ako. Tapos sinira. Salamat at natapos na ako nagluto ng spaghetti. Kapag pahinga na din. Diyan kayo kakanta.
Go.
Happy birthday to you.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Happy birthday to you.
Para makakain.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Nina.
Blow na. Wish.
What's your wish?
Okay lang. Wala. Okay. Ano bang wish ko?
Okay eh.
Kahit anong wish.
Pero tumangkad ka na.
Okay, kainan na.
Ito.